Oh, excuse my hair. So apparently the weather is supposed to get really bad over the weekend. Like, knock out the power for 72 hours bad. So I'm not sure what we're planning to do in case of that, but that doesn't sound good. It sounds like another ice storm, which is weird because like that doesn't, the weather doesn't look like that. It was supposed to get up to like 11 today, so the weather doesn't look like ice storm weather. It looks like spring weather. Like, you think that the ice and the snow would be gone by now, but it's Canada and Ontario, so really, what can you expect? As you can tell by my hair, it's already like super windy. So hopefully it doesn't get like so windy that trees get knocked down and stuff, because I remember last winter there was like so many branches on the road, and like there were branches like blocking off people's driveways and stuff. It was kind of chaos. There were plants coming up in my mom's garden, and because we had another snow over there, they're all dead again. So as much as I like the cold weather, hopefully this doesn't go on for much longer. Also, I apologize for like my kind of weird voice. My lungs are terrible, as I'm sure you know by now. So like talking and walking it's very hard for me to do. Also, I apologize for my hair doing whatever it is that it's doing. Also, there's people like I think behind me. I don't know, I can't tell. It's always really awkward kind of like recording when there's people around, so I'm gonna stop doing that now. So yeah, that was really loud. That was like really loud and awkward. I'm not sure why I did it that loud. Lord, my lungs fucking hate me today. Like, I'm like so out of breath for like no reason. What a fucking wind though. Wild. That's Jess's cat. Hi, George. Look at that tree. Wonder if that's bent over from last winter. So confirmed, that did happen after the last ice storm. So hopefully that doesn't get worse, because that will probably fall over. I'm gonna assume that's probably what happened to this tree too. Oh, well, hopefully stuff doesn't get fucking destroyed the same way it did last time. Yeah. Because that was bad. That was an ice storm. That was like straight up like ice, like coating everything, like
did you see how
destruction.
Foggy it was last night?
Yeah, I did.
Earlier today.
Yeah, I did. Oh my god, the wind.
I was just walking down and I looked over and I couldn't see the lake.
Oh god. No thanks.
It was just
there they go.
The gray sky, and I took a picture. I'll send it to you after.
Okay. I'll put that like here, like there-ish. Like at the same time that I'm excited, I'm also like super nervous.
Yeah.
Because we haven't had a storm that bad for a while. Like even the last ice storm didn't really knock out the power.
We're gonna have to charge up power banks, huh?
Oh god. Yeah, me too. Good luck. Yeah, it's gonna be fucking
good thing I have a fucking bajillion
mess. Like our philosophy teacher was like, I'm gonna like stock up on water, and people were like, is it gonna be that bad? She's like, I'm always worried that's gonna be. Holy, the fucking wind. My fucking hair. Oh my god, I'm lying. Oh lord. God help us. I got me some hot chocolate. Jessica's getting, I think, some tea. Was it tea? I don't remember. Yeah, it's tea. Cool. And we're just looking at candy now. Hi. So it is raining, or was raining by the looks of the driveways, or at least that one driveway, so I'm not really sure. But the wind hasn't been too bad today. Last night the wind was really bad. Like I was like shaking the windows bad, and I was like, that's fun. Today it is not that bad. I actually haven't heard it like at all, so I don't know, maybe we'll hear from it later. Not sure. We'll have to see. So overnight we got a shit ton of snow, and also it was like snowing and also kind of freezing rain yesterday, so that was kind of weird. But yeah, we got like a lot of snow. Like it's the middle of April. You shouldn't have this much snow. And apparently it's only gonna get worse too. It's supposed to get a really windy, freezing rain, more snow, and possibly like a whiteout tomorrow, like today or tomorrow. So I wouldn't be surprised if they cancel school. We'll just have to see. What's the temperature? I don't know. I need like an extra, I need a stand. I have a stand, I just don't use it. So apparently it is -5 Celsius. It says sleet and a rainfall warning. You saw the snow. and it's gonna rain. That's a good combination. So that's gonna be fun. That means the roads are probably gonna freeze, and that means the lines outside are probably gonna freeze and stuff like that. Good luck to us. I don't know if you can hear that, like, the wind and, like, the wow, thanks lights just it's because my fairy lights, they pulse in and out, right? I don't know if you can hear the rain slash wind. Oh my god. But it's getting really heavy, so that's a sign that things are definitely kicking up. I don't know if you can hear that. I'm so sorry that I keep plunging into darkness. I can't be bothered to turn my light on. No one is surprised. Things are getting more weathery. I want to say intense, but that just sounds super cliche. By the minute, I wouldn't be surprised if I see some branches on the roads tomorrow and stuff. Our power was flickering earlier, and Jessica's was flickering too, so that's definitely a sign of things to come. So, update. So, the trees, you can't really see it right now because, you know, they're covered in snow, but in the morning they were covered in kind of like a sheet of ice. There are some in the front that were kind of like bending over because of it, but not as badly as last time. So that's a plus, I think. I still can't believe that, like, it's snowing. It's like it's literally the middle of April, and it's a snowstorm, sort of. It was a snow day today, actually, because the ice, I guess, was just, like, too much for the buses, which makes sense, because, you know, liability risk. But, like, it's definitely worrying that it's still snowing. Like, it shouldn't be that, like, it shouldn't do that outside at this time of year. And then the snow's coming down harder again. So hopefully that doesn't get even worse, because that would suck. So it's snowing again for the 20th time. They don't clear out the bus stop snowbanks either, so like trying to get over those is a pain in the ass. Because they don't clear them out out at all, which I think is kind of ridiculous. Example of the snowplows doing a terrible job. Yeah, just leave that giant strip in the middle of the road. Why not? I was walking down this one street and literally the entire sidewalk was covered in snow. Do you see how high up that is? The entire sidewalk was covered like this, and the snowplows had not plowed any of it. Like, I imagine maybe some of the snowplows like had been put away for the winter because people thought the snow was gone, and it should be, and maybe they just haven't gotten it out yet. But either way, like, that kind of snowplow job is kind of terrible. Like, you're blocking off entire bus stops. Hopefully they clear those out eventually. Also, my apologies, my hair is tied up and therefore in my face constantly. Literally, this was overnight. I'm not even joking. So there's still a bunch of snow outside, as I'm sure you saw in that last clip. I don't know when it's gonna go away. Hopefully soon, because it's also fucking with my brain chemicals, so that's fun. Yeah, that's that. That's been the extent of the snowstorm. I didn't get as bad as we thought it would. Also, sorry, I keep doing stuff. What a surprise, right? I'm doing stuff as I record, literally every single time. It wasn't as bad as we thought it was. We expected, like, the power to go out and, like, tree branches to break, but I don't know if it'll get worse during the week. I have no way of knowing that. Obviously, I'm not a freaking time reader. Reader of the future. We'll go with that. I'm not one of those, so I don't know if it's gonna get worse, but hopefully it doesn't. So yeah, that's been this video. Thank you for watching. I'm not really sure exactly what this is, some kind of vlog thing, I think, and I will see you next time. Bye. So, I wasn't intending to make this video, so I guess I'm making this video now. Considering the fact that, like, I probably should anyways.